Does health information technology investments impact hospital financial performance and productivity? This article identifies the association between health information technology expenses, business processes, hospital financial performance, and productivity. The authors found that health information technology expenses are positively associated with the hospital's return on assets and productivity. Since the enactment of HITECH, the adoption rate of EHR systems has increased significantly. IT investment can improve healthcare service efficiency and generate positive financial returns. However, the expected efficiencies and quality improvements remain unclear. After a review of current literature and robust hospital data, the regression results show that HIT expenses are directly and positively associated with hospital ROA and productivity. Seeing as though this article was published in September 2018, I feel that the relevancy is quite current and speaks true to what's happening in today's society. This week's lesson highlighted IT governance and management. A part of governance and management of IT is the understanding of factors that sustain excellence in the application of IT. One of those factors is budget development. With the knowledge gained from this article, a senior manager may be willing to allocate more money for information technology infrastructure now that he or she knows there is a potential for a bigger return. This newfound knowledge, coupled with the budget development techniques discussed in Chapter 13, would be a great skill set to bring to the table for real-world on-the-job scenarios for IT managers, financial leaders, healthcare supervisors, and even stakeholders.